Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is a Friday, so just starting my shift. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So this is a what time is the machine? I believe it's 8 something. Yeah, 8:03. So this morning I woke up with a negative balance again. Bills hit, auto pay hits. This is the real story behind this scene, behind this fighting, behind this journey. I lost a lot of money. Now starting from negative, and this is what rebuilding looks like. But I'm not quitting though. Came out to fix this, inshallah. Every day is not a win. Some days just to survive. Today I'm on the survival mode, and inshallah, with Allah's help, soon it will be over, inshallah, this situation. If you ever been here before, stay with me. Let's grow together, rebuild together. Keep watching the video, inshallah. Thank you for all the support. If it's not too much, you can support me by sending stars on my post and share this video, and also subscribe my YouTube channel Driven with Faith. I'm also on TikTok, Driven with Faith. I really appreciate. Thank you so much. Let's go. This is Friday. Just got my black coffee. Today supposed to be a long day. Let's see what Allah has for me. What can I get from NYC street today? Overall, try to stay safe. And if you are in this kind of position, have faith in your God. Allah will fix it, inshallah.